Hey everyone, Jeff Teague here. This is the Land Cruiser ROX. You have got to see this at SEMA, the Toyota Land Cruiser ROX. Matter of fact, this is the Kelty Land Cruiser ROX open air experience here. You won't even believe this. Look at this. We've got the top off, but there is so much more to it. You've never seen this in a Toyota. Look at this, half doors. What? Half doors, no glass. And then soft top up here, no glass. Wow. I'll tell you what, if ever a concept vehicle was going to go into production, this could be it right here, because who wouldn't want this one? It's wide, it's steel. Got the hooks, got the plates all the way through, and then look at this setup. You could sit here, I won't. What are you gonna put in here? How about the spray-on liner? Nice, and its own pass-through, so you can get things to the bed from the cabin. You could attach things to it if you want to. We've got gloss black accents all the way around. Oh, that is amazing. This is so cool. ROX, Recreation Open Experience. Get inside here. Look at this. It could be for looks, it could be for function. Soft touch panel here. This is leather. I believe it's called Heritage Orange leather, if I'm not mistaken. So look, this one has the latest safety features, driver attention alert, 12.3-inch gauge cluster, 12.3-inch Toyota audio multimedia. We see this in the traditional Land Cruiser. Look at all the off-roading tools. Stabilizer bar disconnect, locking rear, locking center, downhill assist control, crawl mode, multi-terrain select. I see wireless charging. And then look at this pattern right here. This is amazing. This thing would sell out so fast just in pre-orders alone, don't you think? Open air experience, my friends. Does this open? Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, this is gorgeous. USBs, Land Cruiser. This one here needs to become its own trim level. We've got the Land Cruiser, first edition's probably gone. 1958 edition maybe. How about protection on the A-pillar? This of course has the iForce Max, so it'll have 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. And yes, steel front bumpers. Look at this. This is incredible. Look at the design work. Amazing. We got the rock rails down there. Who wants one? Yes, with the half door look. We've got Thing from the Addams Family sneaking on by. What do you guys think about this concept right here? The Land Cruiser ROX. Recreation Open Experience. I'm at Toyota Jeff Reviews, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, and Auto Jeff Reviews, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you want more Land Cruiser content, click on the 2024 Land Cruiser playlist. See you soon.